You're too big for it, Lenny.
You don't need to sit up.
No, put your feet. No.
Put your feet on there.
Hi.
Sit there, yeah. You don't need to sit down. You need to
Good afternoon, guys. It is.
What's the afternoon?
It is afternoon.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look at the time. Okay, look at the time. It is a Sunday, guys, and hindi kami nagbenta today ni Ate Paris.
Ow.
We are taking Louis for a walk since sobrang ganda ng panahon, guys. You can see, oh my goodness, very sunny in Brisbane today. Kaya, labas namin si Louis, tsaka si baby si stay niya, baba. Ay, gagamitin niya yung, alam niyo yung parang stroller na nakita ni Daddy Mike sa tabi ng daan yesterday. So, gusto niya itry. Tingnan niyo, ready na sila. Can you put it on the back, Daddy? Please.
Should we bring on Paris' arms?
It's okay. Really? Do you like it, love? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Tignan nyo, nakabag pa yan, guys. Nakasyala. Nasyala naman tong batang to, eh.
Ate sad.
Don't be sad, ate. You're a big girl now. That's for babies. Hindi natin padinig kay Celine sabihan, that's for babies. Kasi sabihin niya, she's not a baby anymore. Pag girl, hindi talaga nito ate Paris. Nandito na kami sa Sista. Ito yung pangalan ng kanilang cafe, guys. Getting something to drink.
Louis.
Louis boy!
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Louis, sit, boy!
Mommy,
Sit.
What's this? Ice chocolate? Going to be tricky, guys, kasi ayaw nang umupo ng batang ito kasi nakapupo. So now, she's just pushing it herself. Good job, Palini.
I'm trying the baby.
Good job. You're doing really well, though.
I'm lifting my baby.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm lifting
To the bin?
Mom, I do it.
And then si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris. Bibili kami ng fish and chips.
I'm taking a walk with
Mm-hmm.
Taking a walk with
Taking a walk.
really frozen oysters.
I don't think this one's got pearls
What?
in it, honey.
What?
That has got oysters.
Yeah, but oysters
so-
they have pearls in them. Mom, watch it.
That one. Oopsie, oopsie daisy.
What is
Stop kami dito sa
I'm not it.
park lang, guys. I have some chippies. Yeah.
Put something on that. Write it down.
That's what I mean. Everything's gonna fly away if it's on video. Come on,
Yeah.
Chippy!
Napakalaki yung
And
chips.
I remember and a big chicken. And a big chicken fried chicken.
Yeah.
Mama, that's where I was sitting.
Huh?
That's Selena's room.
Yeah, I got chips as well.
It's for everyone, honey.
Well, I'm definitely not eating an oyster then.
Thank you, baby.
Unless I'm for you.
Thank
Not
you.
an oyster when I'm 28. Alright. Whoa. Mama, this cloud's sitting flashing.
Ready?
Wait.
Iwan ko, guys.
Just
Hindi
like
ko talaga kayang kumain ng oyster.
I didn't even try it.
I tried.
Did you eat the fish?
Yeah, definitely not for me.
What? Or just not the batter? Did he eat the actual fish part, but?
Hey, my chippy. This is so soft.
It's nice, yeah? It's nice, yeah?
It's so soft. But it's so sweet.
Hmm?
3 weeks notice. Also of note, the undeniable
The chips are good too.
Yeah?
Nakauwi na kami, guys. And yung gagawin natin ngayon ay start na tayong mag-pack. Excited? Excited yan mo tayo, Melvin. Ito yung binili natin kahapon na suitcase. At ito yung pinakamalaki nila, guys. This is the 80 centimeters na luggage. But this is for me. Kasi dapat sana yung pink na ginagamit ko sa pagbenta, di ba? Kasi malaki din yun. But that one has got some, I think like biak sa ilalim a little bit. Kasi dala-dala ko yun every Sunday na nagbibenta kami, di ba? So I thought, why not really, you know? Like, why not buy this since this was on sale anyways? Originally, this was $279. But yeah, after the discount, 189 something lang ata yung binayaran ko dito. So it was not bad. Especially magagamit ko to for, you know, future na travels. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Let's manifest, guys, that there's more travels to come. So yung ginagawa ko, guys, sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, ayokong mag-overpack. Especially ngayon, meron ng mga kids like we don't have like space. And I was thinking na yung mga dadalhin ko, para paplanuhan ko na siya kung ano yung susuotin ko sa airport, ano yung susuotin ko the next day, and then the next day. Parang inaano ko na siya para alam ko na parang tama lang yung bitbit ko. Kasi, of course, Melbourne tayo pupunta, diba? So, hindi mawawala yung siya. But I'll just make sure na yung yung kakailanganin mo, basic ay mabitbit ko. So, aalis kami ng Thursday. So, Thursday ng hapon. And then, we will go straight sa hotel namin kasi kikitain namin yung mami ni Daddy Mike. So, yung mama ni Daddy Mike ay magstay din siya. Meron din siyang room na binook sa place kung saan kami nag-book ng accommodation namin para she's there to spend time with us. I'm not gonna worry about what I'm gonna wear to the airport right now kasi hindi ko naman ipapasok dito. So, marami akong bit-bit na ganito, guys. Yung skirt ba? Kasi pwede mo siyang pailaliman ng mga leggings since marami akong, hindi marami, but I bought a few leggings online. Tulad nito, oh. Tapos, ano ba to siya? Ay, hindi pala to siya yung thermal. But definitely, I am bringing my Burberry coats. Kasi alam naman, guys, fashion tayo doon sa Melbourne, diba? Mag-OOTD tayo doon, guys. Ito, isang outfitan. I've got that skirt. Yes, it's a mini skirt. Now it's gonna be cold. So, ito yung pang-ilalim natin. And then, top is this. So, pinili ko tong top na to kasi they're in the very similar hue ng brown earth color. Ayan. And then with that one, itong ating Burberry na trench coat. Dalawa pala yung dadalhin nating Burberry na trench coat. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya sa second outfit natin. Kasi maganda na to siyang tingnan, guys. Kapag tingnan nyo ang kulay na ganyan. Diba? I can already foresee all my pa-outfit sa Melbourne, guys. And then the next day, I'm going to meet my bestie, Ron. And mostly sa inyo, sa mga naka-follow sa channel natin, you know him. Oh, I love him, guys. He's amazing. And ito yung napili kong suotin kasi you know him, is also into fashion and that. So, ito yung naisipan kong outfit. So, I've got these black leggings. It will be with this gray na mini skirt. And then, I'll pair it with a just plain white na long sleeve shirt. Ganyan siya. Parang ano siya, parang estudyante ang datingan. So, ito yung iniisip ko na i-pair ko doon sa tie-high na boots. Kasi maganda. Ano kasi ito siya, mini skirt. So, maganda to siya ipare sa ganun. Ganyan siya. And then, I'm pairing it with this one. This one is Burberry's na jacket, trench coat. And this one, guys, benta ko sana to eh. Walang bumili nung Sunday nito. Di ba si Daddy Mike yung pumunta? And Daddy Mike sold, I think, 2. Kasi 4 eh, nakabalik 2. So, 2 yung nabenta niya. This one, walang bumili. So, sabi ko, okay, I'm just gonna wear it to Melbourne for now. Tapos, benta ko next time pagbalik namin. Diba? Gamitin ko muna. And since this one, guys, is pang winter talaga. Kasi, meron siyang pang ilalim na ganyan, yung wool. Ay, medyo may kabigatan. So, pinaplano ko na ito yung susuotin ko pag biyahe namin para hindi siya kailangan sa bag. I'll just put it. Malaki ito kasi sa akin, guys, eh. I think, because I'm a size 8. I think this one is like 10 to 12. And this is nice to pair with like this, I think. Kasi mas darker yung kanyang kulay. Tapos tie-high boots. So, yeah. So, hindi ko to ipapasok sa bag. Ito yung ito yung gagamitin ko over kung ano yung susuotin ko papunta ngayon. So, this one, I've got this skirt, guys. Na ganyan siya. I was thinking about I'll wear something under. Tapos, ito siya. Tinry ko na din to siya eh. Maganda yung kulay nila na combination yan. Ganyan. O, diba? Kasi, di ba, cold. So, this is gonna keep me warm. And, okay. Kasi malaki to siya, guys. Ito. Kasi ito yung gagawin kong top. Kailangan siyang i-cinch. Kailangan niyang magkaroon ng shape. So, I was thinking about ito. Actually, crossbody bag to siya, but I'll make it work. Ganyan siya. Pero maganda siya. Gawin ko siyang belt bag with this one. So, yung bag na dadalhin ko ay ito. Tapos, ito. And then, yung aking malaking bag pang, biyahe. Travel para lagyan ng nappy and wipes and all that. Tingnan nyo, ang kakapal ng leggings ng mga kids.
Yes.
Nyo. Thermal yan. Ayan. Grabe. Ewan ko na lang kung lalamigin pa sila nito. Gorgeous ko, Lord.
Okay, so. Okay, down. Ow, something there pushed me down. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. I'm not there. There she is. This legs.
And tingnan nyo, oh. Mga pag-ilalim ng mga kids. Binigyan lang namin to kahapon. Hang on, did we vlog yesterday?
Yeah.
We did. Live na namin. Naipakita ba to? Hindi na naipakita kahapon,
Can I
guys.
help? Sure. Say.
Really careful, please, alam.
Here is a top that I wear under my shirt. Here I am. Oh, this is made in China as well.
Binasa pa talaga made in China. Just put it there, anak, because we're gonna get your luggages from the garage.
Made in India.
India.
I said it wrong.
Hello.
At least you can still eat it.
Dito pala yung
We got some What's this stockings? What is this?
leggings.
Oh, leggings. Stockings are called? Can you call that?
Yeah.
Stockings? Well, I'm just gonna call it stockings. And there's two. And there's a here. Wait, move. You showing? Here, we got two pieces. Let's this is this.
Yeah, that's for Lini and Ati. One packet each, and there's two, I think.
It's a kilo hat. This is for Selena and me.
That's the Lini's, that's too small for you.
That's mine. Wait, let me see.
Sharing ba?
So cute. That didn't even feel tight.
Yeah, you can probably wear this one as well.
We can share. It goes Selena.
Yeah, but you're gonna get one.
Selena.
Wait, there's nothing there. That's for the plastic.
We got
That's
a
for
cute
you.
little
So this is like the thermal shirt for the Paris.
The socks. Another piece. And the shoes. Socks.
And this one here, actually guys, ito ay size 10 for kids. But I thought it's going to fit me. Thermal to siya. Another thermal top. Ah, no, hindi. Wool pala to eh.
My sis for me or you?
Maybe?
My sis for me or you?
That's for me, ano?
No.
Anyways, basta this one, give me one.
We've got these trees and
But
these
this one for Ate Paris, guys. Wala kasi silang size ni Celine. Actually, this is size 4. But this will still fit Ate Paris. This also. Tingnan nyo. Napakanipis. But very warm. What is going
These are
on?
very weird shoes because they keep it warm, but they're really weird. There's like spikes on here, so you can see that.
No,
So
the pricing
spiky.
they took the pricing out lang. Ito guys, ito maliit lang to siya ha. $22 ata ito.
And look on the bottom, it's so like scratchy. You can hear that, right? So.
You wanna wear it? Okay.
Take it off. Oh, Celine, don't do that in the camera.
Bili. Mahuman niyo ko ani. Tingnan niyo oh, binili ko kay ano. Para kay kanino ba to? Baby Celine.
Stop, Monster.
Can take this off now.
You're a monster. You have to get me. You have to pull me, okay?
Black boots. Very helpful to siya. So, already 6 o'clock at hindi pa rin ako tapos dito. Alam niyo ba? Oh my God. Yung mga kids kasi guys ay tingnan nyo. I've got clothes everywhere. Sobrang messy dito. Yan pa yung nalagay ko. Kasi when I started doing it, ang mga kids ay naglaro. Pumasok sa Ate Paris siya kasi Baby Celine sa loob ng suitcase. So, ayun. Anyways, ito yung na-ready ko guys. Yan na yung susutin namin. Ito yung kay Baby Celine, kay Ate Paris sa lalim. This is mine. And I'm still thinking kung ano yung i-prepare ko dito sa white na jumper. Maybe jeans. Or, ewan ko, maghanap ako ng white na jogger para very comfortable lang sa biyahe. And, nakita ko to. Binili ko pala to siya the other day sa dollar shop. Can you hear Baby Celine outside? Oh my goodness, tong dalawang bata ito eh. $7 guys. Ito yung pang check natin yung weight para hindi tayo overweight. Bumili ako ng ganito. And this is super nice actually. Parang organized talaga yung laman ng bag. See this one? Says tops. So lahat ng tops dyan ko ilalagay. And then here says bottoms. And then kasama sa suitcase ay ito. So ito yung nilagyan ko ng mga underwear. Leggings, bra, undies, and that dito. So that one is finished. And then, ito merong isa lang naman yung meron sa pack na to. Shoes. So dito ko nilagay yung ating boots na isa. And then, ayan, may ganito underwear and accessories, which I don't need kasi meron na ako ngayon. Electronics. Very organized na guys. Yung mga charger and that. Dito may lagay. skincare, toiletries, which is really good. This is good. Ayan. Tapos, bumili ako ng another set, but this one is... Basta lang ako. Ay, dalawa. I'll use this for the girls. But this is very, very good for organizing. Rin na pa ako dito eh. Hindi ako natatapos. Oh my God. Kaya, kinlose ko na ang door. Oh. Sabi ko, mamaya na kayo pumasok. And I got that thing here now. Naka-on nga, oh. Yung ating steamer. Kasi, I make sure na i-steam ko to before ko ipasok. Especially, alam niyo ba, sinuot ko to kahapon. Sa birthday ni Daddy Mike, yung white na ano, hindi naman siya madumi. Kasi sa hapon ko lang naman siya sinuot. But, tingnan nyo, i-steam ko na lang siya. Kasi dadalhin ko sana siya doon sa, alam niyo, yung dry cleaner tomorrow. But I'm scared na baka hindi mabalik in time. So, yun. Hindi naman siya sobrang kailangan lang siyang ganito, i-steam. O, pag i-steam to siya, tapos ang problema.
Sweet.
Baby, give me some milk. The
Pardon.
mango.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Is the yogurt good or not?
Is it like great yogurt?
Yeah. Is it good? Do you like her mango, Mom? Do you like her yogurt?
Well done, honey. Ang ating baby Selena nakatulog, guys. Habang nagpapak ako, payak-iyak siya kasi hindi siya nag-nap today. So, pinaano ko siya, pinananggaran ko ba?
So.
Nakatulog siya.
So.
So, I've done most of mine. Minsan na lang mga others. Diced
Actually,
mango.
let me try one. Let me try.
Sure.
Just exactly like the mango.
Yeah, it's frozen. It doesn't
I
taste.
think I'm gonna take this to Melbourne, Daddy.
You should.
It's very warm. Like, you know, like in the morning.
When you
we
go for a walk
Yeah, walk, get coffee or something, you
around
know?
Albert Park Lake, exercising. It's good day.
No, really.
Gising na.
And I don't want her to wake up like that. We should go back till like 1 in the morning.
You want to start around? Tiny.
She wants to go to the pool. It's okay. Kasi sabi ko kanina, hanapin mo yung swimsuit mo kasi yung hotel ay may heated pool. Sabi niya, pupunta na kami, sabi niya. Go to the pool.
But so fun.
Yeah, it's fun, but you told me you can't go to bed because you're hungry.
Taste.
Not one bite, you need to finish the bowl.
Actually, what's it doing?
You think?
I like it, but it's like still a little powdery.
Is it?
It's a little powdery.
Okay, mix it, man.
Are you gonna come? Look at what Ate made.
Still powdery. Mama, not you. Nice. Mama, She thinks there's clown in there.
Where? Where's the clown?
Mix it. Mix